Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. I'm here with Liv, an interior design specialist from Edward Thomas Interiors, who we've been working with to style our Barlow home we're currently sitting in for Christmas. We know that the festive season is a time to really make our homes sparkle, and with that in mind, today we're going to get some expert advice and inspiration on how to decorate your home this Christmas. So Liv, what was your approach to decorating our home?
So firstly, deciding on a plan for both floors was most important. Downstairs tended to include more decorations just in comparison to upstairs. The majority of our focus was based on the kitchen, dining table and living area, as well as the exterior of the home. Upstairs, we built on ideas created downstairs, using similar festive ornaments to create a flow around the house and keep with a theme, as well as enhancing the bedrooms. I find Pinterest is a great place for inspiration if you're struggling with your decorations this time of year, and also Instagram Reels is another place for great ideas.
Okay, great, thank you. That's really useful to have a starting place for inspiration, and we know so many of us turn to social media for interior design anyway. And I suppose over Christmas, hosting friends and family, a lot of time is spent in the downstairs of the home, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, exactly. Your guest festive experience essentially starts right at the front door with the festive lights around the outside of the house and the wreath. And then you come into the living room, presents are often shared underneath the tree. And then of course the main event is the Christmas dinner at the table.
Now I know you've touched on the different rooms decorated in our home, but is there anything in particular you'd like to highlight to give that wow factor this Christmas?
Definitely. I mean, there's nothing better in my opinion than a festive Christmas table. For me, it's all about the little details such as handwritten place cards, a lovely table runner with a festive ornament in the centre, something to really gather your friends and family around. And if you've got small children at Christmas, it's a lovely idea to decorate their bedrooms, really get them excited for Santa's arrival. For us in the Barlow, we added a Santa sack to the bedroom, as well as a stocking, festive teddies, Christmas books, anything to get them in that Christmas spirit. You could also add a theme to the room, such as Santa's grotto or even the North Pole.
And my last question for you, are there any quick tips you can give us to implement in our homes this Christmas?
Well, a quick addition to create a festive feel in your home is through scents. If you have a candle or a room diffuser that has scents of pine or cedarwood or even cinnamon, it's a great way to give a Christmassy feel in your home. You can also swap out your accent colours in your home for more Christmassy tones, such as burgundy and ochre or olive green. These changes can be made through cushion covers, lampshades or throws to really create a Christmassy feel in your home.
Well, thanks for answering my questions, Liv, and thanks for watching our video. We hope you feel prepared and inspired to decorate your home this Christmas.